everyone, and welcome to another episode of Babytime Buzz. Can you hear? Do you hear construction happening? That's progress. Yes, for our new library, we're so excited. So if you hear noise in the background, that's what it is. So we're not complaining. It's something we're embracing. So this week I thought we would do a story time on Splish, Splash, because here we are, we're into summer, and so I know we'll be spending a lot of time outside, perhaps in the water. So I'd like to start off with one of our songs that we always do at Baby Time, and it's Hello Friends, and we're gonna sign it, okay? So hello, here we go, ready? Hello friends, how are you? How are you? Are you feeling happy? Are you feeling grumpy? How are you? How are you? Yay! I hope that I have lots of happy babies out there today. So, are you ready to see? We're going to sing a song about a fish. Do you see the fish? What color is the fish? Huh? That's right, it's purple and white. Purple and white fish. And let me show you the ASL sign for fish. So put your hand out, fingers together, thumb out, up, fish, fish. Ready? Let's do a little song. It's called Fish Are Swimming, okay? And you can use the ASL sign when you sing the song. It's done to the tune of Fair Jacques. So here we go, ready? Fish are swimming in the sea, a splishing and a splashing, a splishing and a splashing. Look and see, look and see. Yay! So mommies and daddies, you can do this with your little one, again, using the sign for fish, okay? Or what's also fun is getting a towel, getting a scarf, and doing it with that. So are you ready? Let's do it one more time. Ready? Fish are swimming in the sea, a splishing and a splashing, a splishing and a splashing. Look and see, look and see. Yay! Well, I hope that you've enjoyed actually this song. This is so much fun to do, and I encourage you to do it with your little ones. Of course, it gets their hands moving, and of course, you're teaching the sign for fish. And so I just want to remind you, moms and dads, that, ASL is a real language, and it is expressed through your facial features as well as your hands, okay? And so exposing your little ones to even basic ASL signs, it stimulates their language development just as much as exposure to speech, okay? And so I encourage you to use, ASL signs as well with your little ones. So, okay, so I hope you've enjoyed this episode of Babytime Buzz, and I look forward to seeing you next time. Until then, stay safe. Bye.